Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Wemimo and I'm also known as That Mama 5. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. So on today's video, I'm happy to be collaborating once again with a beautiful, amazing company known as Cherryz. This is the second time I'm going to be collaborating with Cherryz, and I'm super excited to be unboxing the items I've got here in the box for you. So just a little intro about Cherryz. Cherryz is more or less like a supermarket on your mobile phone. So anything or everything you go into the supermarket for, Cherryz is there to provide it for you at the comfort of your home while you're sitting on your sofa and on your mobile phone, and you can shop everything and anything that you find in any bargain store anywhere. Be sure to find them on Cherryz as well. Anything you find as a deal in any bargain store, you also find them on Cherryz as well. So after this unboxing, I'm super excited to be sharing with you a code that will allow you 25% off your first order, and this code will only work on the mobile app only. So if you try to use this code on the website, it's not going to work. So the logic behind it is that you have to download the Cherryz app on your mobile phone, and that is the only way the 25% off code will work for your order. The code is eligible for your first order of £20 and over. That is the catch to this. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into unboxing. You can tell I've already opened the box already because I was curious to see, you know, what I ordered. So the delivery was actually super fast, and it was very late in the evening yesterday when I got it. There was nothing, the box was not dent, the box was absolutely fine. There was no issues at all with the box. And then it came packaged in this box. Let's see if I can tip this over. So that's everything in there that way. And I'm just going to take this off. So basically, you know, I'm a mom. I'm a mom, so I've basically gone for household stuff, cleaning stuff, and maybe a bit of snack here and there. So let's start with the first item that I got. So I bought this, I picked up this pink stuff. So as we all know, pink stuff is quite popular right now, and it's amazing how that color blends with Cherryz box. So this is the pink stuff, and it's the Miracle Bathroom Foam Cleaner. I love everything from the pink stuff. I love. So that's the first item I picked up here. And then I picked up this Pencil 3-in-1 powder, and I just love how easy this is. You just pop it into the drum of your washing machine, and then pop your clothes on it, and then you are good to go. So I picked this up, 3-in-1 capsule Pencil. There it is. And then the item next I picked was a Gel Glow Mask. I do glow masks once a week, and that's always Saturday evenings, and I love it because it just keeps me youthful and hydrated. And then the next thing I picked up was this Leno Ruby Jasmine. I love this when I smelled it the first time from the shop, and then when I was shopping on Cherryz, I was like, yes, this has to go in my basket. It smells absolutely great. So I picked up one of that in that scent, and then I picked another one again. I picked the Gold Orchid, or Orchid, that's how you call it. It smells good as well because I've used this before. Oh, just sell me to Leno. That smells really good, so I picked that up as well. I know with 5 kids in the house, I do lots of laundry, so all of this will come handy for me. And then I picked up a Tetley tea bag. Tetley is my go-to tea bag. No other tea bag, it has to be Tetley. So I picked up a smaller box. And then I picked up this tile and grout. I've been getting some grout on my bathroom tiles, so I'm hoping this will work for it, hence why I picked it up. So it says moisten under cold water, squeeze out excess water, and gently scrub. Rub the scrubber over the tiles to be clean. So I'm gonna give this a try. And then I picked up more pink stuff, and this is the Oxy Stain Remover, which will definitely be working for fabrics. If you have any fabric that is stained, you can always spray this on, leave it for a couple of minutes, and then wash it out. So that's that. And then I picked up Flash. I use Flash for the bathroom, so hence why it goes in my shop. So I just spray this into my bathtub, leave it for like half an hour, then I go back in and give it a good scrub. So Flash always part of my bathroom cleanser. And then more pink stuff. the pink stuff, and this is oxy powder stain remover. So if you have like a white chair or a top that is stained, you can always pre-soak it before you pop it in the washing machine. And you can also use this in your washing machine because there's an allotment for powders in the washing machine as well. So I actually went for the big jar. I love the fact that they've got the big jar for this one. So yeah, pink stuff all the time, and all of these are available on Cherryz. Like, you find everything and anything on Cherryz, trust me. So the next item I picked up were noodles, pot noodles, because I know my girls, my teenagers, they love, like, if they can't wait for me to finish cooking, they love something that they can eat quickly. So I picked up one of these pot noodles, and this is the beef and tomato. And I picked another one, Holy noodles. I picked that one up, and then I'm just going to put this back in the box. And then I picked up more noodles. So same noodles, original curry. There's variety of these noodles on the Cherryz app, so you find loads. Like, it depends on what you fancy anyway. And then I picked up another noodle. There we go, that's that one there. And then I picked up some body spray as well, our antiperspirant. They were neatly wrapped in this bag, so nothing is going to scratch them or bust them up. So I love the fact that they were wrapped in this wrapper. So I picked that up. Sure, that's going to go in my bedroom. And then I picked up another one of this up, but my son is just taking that away. So it's the one for men as well, so I picked that one up as well. And then snack, Monster Bunch. This is my favorite. I love the roast beef. So once I'm done with this video, this is going in my bedroom because it's my go-to. From the Monster Bunch, the roast beef is my favorite and I love it. So that's mine. And then I picked up these dryer balls. So it goes in your tumble dryer and it bounces around and it just naturally separates clothes so they are able to dry equally. So that's the purpose of this. I've never tried it before. I've seen it being used, so I thought, yeah, I'm going to give it a go. Why not? There we go. And then I picked up shampoo, Herbal Essence. I love everything Herbal Essence, though it doesn't work for my natural hair, but I still use it anyway for my, for my wigs. So there's Herbal Essence shampoo there. You find all the collection of the Herbal Essences on Cherryz website, on the app. You find everything and anything on Cherryz, trust me. You won't have to start looking for price because their prices are reasonably priced. Like, I'll have to go on their app first before I actually go and go into my shop now. And then the last but not the least was this dairy milk. My 10-year-old loves this, so it's going to serve as a play piece for her once she's going into school. You just pop one into her lunch bag. So that's everything I got from Cherryz. They were neatly wrapped. There was no damages at all, so it came handy. Now to the good part of this. So for you to make use of the offer, like I said, I've got a whopping 25% off code for you to use, which I'm going to place up here. And this code will only work on the Cherryz app. So you need to download the Cherryz app on your mobile phone for this to work. If you try to use it on the website, it's not going to work. So this code is only eligible to be used on the Cherryz mobile app, and it's going to be effective and eligible for orders of £20 and over. So your first shop of £20 and over, that is when you'll be able to use this code. So I'm going to pop the code on the screen, and it's also going to be in the description box as well, so you don't miss out. And trust me, as a student, my daughter is going to school in a couple of weeks. So as a student, if you don't want to bother yourself at all, like trying to shovel your bags and stuff, Cheryl, just download the Cherryz app, sit in your bedroom in your dorm, pick your items and use that code 25% off. Use it as a student. I'm sure you won't you don't want to shy away from this code. Use that code and get a great 25% off your order, and delivery is very quick. You won't have to wait very long to get your order at all. So here comes to the end of my video. I'm going to share this on my Instagram as well, so wherever you see this code, make sure you use it. And remember, it's only available to use on the Cherryz mobile app. So this comes to the end of my video. If you've ever shopped with Cherryz before, do let me know in the comment section. Share, let's see how what does it feel like shopping with Cherryz. And if you're happy to share your haul, you can always tag Cherryz on Instagram, so they could see what you were able to haul from their website. For me, I'm going to be tagging them in my haul, which I'm going to be showing on Instagram as well. So I'm going to tag them to say this is all of my haul. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and don't forget to make use of that code. And if you're yet to like this video, what are you waiting for? So don't forget to like, drop me a comment in the comment section, share this video so that others can benefit from this code as well. And do not forget to turn on the post notification so you don't miss any offers like this when I bring it to you. And I hope to catch up with you in my next video. Bye.